How do I access ITV Hub on Freeview?
Hello and welcome to our video guide. Today, we will walk you through how to access ITV Hub on your Freeview. With this step-by-step tutorial, you'll be streaming your favorite ITV shows in no time.
What is ITV Hub and Freeview?
To start, let's briefly explain what we're dealing with. ITV Hub is a UK-based, online video-on-demand service offering a variety of content from ITV's channels. On the other hand, Freeview is the UK's digital terrestrial television platform. It's the simplest way to watch TV for free, without a subscription.
Do I need internet connection?
The answer is yes. To access ITV Hub on Freeview, an internet connection is essential. Make sure your Freeview device is connected to the internet. This can be done either via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable, depending on your device.
How to access ITV Hub on Freeview?
Now that you're ready, let's start. 1. Turn on your Freeview device and tune it to any ITV channel. ITV, ITV2, ITV3, etc. 2. Press the red button on your remote control. This will launch ITV Hub. 3. If this is your first time accessing ITV Hub, you'll need to sign up for an ITV account. This is a simple process. Just follow the on-screen instructions, providing your email address and creating a password. 4. Once you've signed up and logged in, you can browse and watch ITV shows to your heart's content.
What if I can't access ITV Hub?
In some cases, you might have trouble accessing ITV Hub. It could be that your Freeview device is not connected to the internet, or that your device does not support ITV Hub. If you're having trouble, contact Freeview or ITV Hub customer support for assistance. And that's it. We hope this guide has made accessing ITV Hub on your Freeview device a breeze. Enjoy your favorite shows and don't hesitate to re-watch this guide if you need a refresher. Happy watching!